Now to a closer look at the coronavirus and the impact on some of our essential workers, those Houstonians who have been working since this pandemic began.
More exposure means a higher chance of getting COVID-19. And for Metro, that means hundreds of employees and contractors testing positive since March. Channel 2's Brittany Jeffers live tonight with what this means for Metro as a whole and Metro riders. Brittany?
Yeah, most recently, Metro says it was 2 bus drivers as well as a cleaner that tested positive for the coronavirus. They tell us that cleaner didn't have any interaction with the public. However, they have released the bus routes of those 2 drivers, and they're telling passengers right now to monitor for any symptoms.
We try to be careful, but that's the only thing we can do.
In the midst of a pandemic, Metro passengers say they're doing their best to follow the rules and keep themselves and others safe from the coronavirus.
They sanitize it and everything, which is very good.
And I wear gloves just in case somebody has germs or something like that, you know, to protect myself because I am over the age of 65.
On Friday, Metro announced that 2 bus operators and a cleaner tested positive for COVID-19 and notified riders about possibly affected bus routes. The first operator drove the following route over the past 2 weeks, while the other driver worked this schedule. Tracy Jackson with Metro says that since March, 156 Metro employees and 46 contractors have tested positive. 72 of those employees, however, never had contact with the public.
Last check, only 1 was hospitalized. Most were recovering at home, and quite a few of them have been able to return to work.
Jackson says Metro has ramped up cleaning efforts and put hand sanitizer on board, protective shields around drivers, and face coverings are mandatory for everyone on board. Riders, however, have mixed feelings about the safety measures.
And everybody tries to keep a distance, so that's what's good about it.
I feel safe. It's safe. It's just not no sanitizer when you get on the bus.
Metro's working with the health department to do contact tracing, but in the meantime, Jackson says passengers should monitor for symptoms.
If you are concerned that you may have been exposed to someone who's tested positive for COVID-19, you should self-quarantine and avoid contact with any other individuals.
As I mentioned, Metro is requiring people to be wearing face masks or facial coverings, but they say that if you don't have any, they have extra and will provide it for you. Reporting live near the Medical Center, I'm Brittany Jeffers, KPRC, Channel 2 News.
Thank you.